brought to you by Cajon Vision.
Cajon High School is committed to creating a collaborative community of college and career-ready students who are critical thinkers, effective communicators, and confident, responsible global citizens.
Hello Cowboys, welcome back to another day with Selah J. Interested in robotic surgery? Loma Linda University is offering a robotic surgery simulation event on Sunday, November 12th at LLU Heart and Surgical Hospital. Space is very limited, so if you're interested in signing up, please see Ms. Heather in the VP's office. Seniors, would you like to attend college for free for a year? Apply to the Valley Bound program. The application is now open and due on December 15th. See Mr. Yu in seat 35 for more details or to pick up an application. Please join us for Saturday School on November 18th, December 2nd, and December 9th. We can help you with missing assignments, makeup absences, or makeup classwork. Next Saturday School is November 18th. See you there. Walk-ins are welcome. Sign up with the QR codes or call Ms. Castillo in G1 for more information. Hey Cowboys, do you need a sports physical? Shannon Hills is offering free physicals on November 18th. These physicals are good for a full year of athletic activities. Families book their own appointments, or we can help. And if you have any questions, see Ms. Heather in the VP's office. Want to earn college credits while in high school? Want to take college courses for free? Anyone who is interested in taking Valley Now classes for the spring, please see Mr. Yu in C35 during lunch or after school. Do you need help on college applications and senior portfolio? Come to C35 on Mondays after school for senior hour. It's official, painting parking spots are back. Painted parking spots are $35 with an ASB card and $40 without. Get your reserved parking spot packet from Miss Ocampo in the office to start the process of getting your parking spot. Cowboys, just a reminder, the B and C wings are closed during lunches. Classes are still in session. Seniors, if you would like to get an off-campus pass for lunch, please pick up an application in the counseling office. Forms must be signed by a parent and or guardian. Remember, your lunch privileges can be revoked for excessive tardies, absences, behavior, and or suspension. And make sure to pick up your trash. Keep the campus classy, not trashy.
My question for you is, how you feel right now about this?
Hey! I think it's a good thing that we're prepping for the inevitable big one. Right. We're right next to the San Andreas Fault, and it will be good if people know where to go.
Jamariaye. All right, Shane. So I know this is like our first time ever doing this little shakeout. So I want your thoughts and views on this. How you feel right now?
I think it's cool. I mean, I think it's good practice, but the problem I have is it's too hot out here.
Right.
It's very hot.
You say that's like the annoying part about this whole little training?
I think that's the annoying part, but I'll say another annoying part is like I really don't see the purpose of being out here so long, you know? Like, I think just get everyone out here, then go back. Like we're just chilling here for a few minutes extra. Like,
So how you feeling right now? You feeling a little nauseous?
Not nauseous. I'm sweating.
Okay, sweating.
Yeah,
a little hot.
Yeah.
Feel good though?
Yeah, and that breeze kicks in, feels good.
Right. You feel me? All right. Cool. Appreciate you saying.
Yeah, no.
All right, so who am I here with?
Mr. Elijah Alverson.
All right, so Mr. Alverson, I would like to ask you, since this is our first time, doing this whole thing, how do you feel about the situation?
Unsafe.
Unsafe. Why you say it's unsafe?
There is a lot of motion. We could be a little bit more organized.
Okay. So how do you feel? Do you feel that this is like a safe, good training exercise? Or you say we could do something?
We could be a little bit more organized.
Okay. So how are you feeling right now? I know it's hot. You know, feeling a little nauseous.
Nope, not at all.
Feeling 10 out of 10?
But I like the sun. 10 out of 10, according to me.
Ooh, cool. Oh, Mr. Thomas wanted me to ask you about Star Wars. Talk about that.
Star Wars is amazing, life-changing event. If you haven't watched it, everybody should. Just don't make sure you don't confuse it with Star Trek, because Star Trek is stupid.
Gosh. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
The rose.
Huh?
The rose.
Oh, yeah. That's what I was going to ask. So, I know every teacher I heard that has a role in these situations. Oh, man, it is fun. So I wanted to ask what
I am in charge of the morgue. So if you were dead, I'm the person in charge of moving your body.
I walk over here, I see everybody.
Organizing your body and taking care of your body.
Yo,
So, don't die.
who am I here with?
My name is Miss Morris from Cajon High School.
Okay, so Miss Morris, I know this is our first time doing this whole little shakeout. I want your thoughts. How you feeling?
I feel like it's a little warm out here, but it's not a bad thing. We're in Southern California, so it's to be expected.
How would you feel about this whole little training program right now? Would you say it's like the safest?
I feel like it's necessary to be prepared to kind of have an idea what to do in time of an emergency will allow you to respond better if you ever need to actually utilize it.
Now, I heard that almost every teacher, when it comes to stuff like this, they have their own little role.
They have yes.
So I would like to ask, what is your role?
Right now, my role, because I'm subbing a class, is to make sure that all of my students have made it to the destination so that way I can count them and make sure that everybody is okay and accounted for. If I'm missing anyone, I would need to report that or let admin know as soon as possible.
All right. Hey, thank you so much, Ms. Morris.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
Commercial break!
Hello Cajon Cowboys. This Monday, November 13th, Cajon's Folklorico Club, Ritmo de Mi Tierra, will be performing in the quad for both lunches. Don't forget to stop by.
Are you interested in music, learning instruments, or performing? Teen Music Workshop has all of these interests for you. Teen Music Workshop is an audition-based performance program where all students will participate. However, students will be placed in performance positions that match their skill level. If you are completely new to your preferred instrument, then there are drum lessons, guitar lessons, bass lessons, piano lessons, choir/dance lessons. And if you're not interested in music, then there is a film program too. You can make friends there who have the same musical interests as you. And to take the next step, they have bands that you can perform with at Knott's, Disneyland, and more. If you're interested, then it's all located at the Sturgis Theaters, which is 780 North East Street, San Bernardino, California, 92410. Lessons vary by day, and if you have any questions, please contact Brian Wing at brian.wing@sbcusd.k12.ca.us. Hope to see you there, Cowboys.
Hi. Hi. Who am I here with? Jessica.
Can you rate your outfit on a scale of 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it like a 8.
Can you tell me where each of your main clothing pieces from?
The cargo pants are from Hollister. My docks are from Journeys. And this is like a gift from my aunt. And then the shirt is also from Hollister.
Can you tell me what outfit pieces you want to wear when it gets colder? What you want to wear?
Colder? Definitely more cargos and maybe crew necks.
Who influences you to dress the way you do?
I'd say my friends. Who am I here with?
My name is Anthony Concas, Fernando.
Can you guys rate your outfit on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would say a 7. 10 out of 10.
Can you tell me where each of your main clothing pieces are from?
This, I got it at a thrift store. This is Evisu. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Denim jacket, denim pants, the boots.
Hi.
Hello.
Who am I here with?
Angel Escobar.
Can you rate your outfit on a scale of 1 to 10?
I feel like today is like a 7.
Can you tell me where each of your main clothing pieces from?
My loafers are from Urban. My jeans are from Urban. And this shirt used to be my dad's from a long time ago.
Is there something you look forward to, like a clothing piece, now that it's getting colder?
My leather jacket. I love wearing leather jackets.
Feel like a game. Look at us, we go on.